the struggle is real. Unang-una sa lahat, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It's so nice to see everyone come together para po suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino. PMPC, maraming salamat po for this award, and it's so good to be back on this stage. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan si Direk Nick. Direk, thank you so much for allowing me to collaborate with you and to bringing my character in Deleter, si Lyra, into life. Viva Films and to my Viva family, thank you po for all of the opportunities that you've given me. To all my supporters, maraming salamat po for all the love that you've given me. To my team and my family, thank you for always having my back. And to my boyfriend Chris, who's in the audience, thank you for always pushing me when I'm down in the dumps. So everyone, maraming salamat po. And ito pong award na to, I dedicate this sa lahat po ng buong buo ng Deleter, sa Evolve Studio and Viva Studio, Viva Films. And sa lahat po ng sumuporta at tumangkilik ng Deleter, maraming salamat po. Again, PMPC, thank you so much. And mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Salamat po.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Nadine! Muli po, congratulations sa lahat po ng mga nanalo ngayon.
Okay, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We would like to request the 4 major winners to stay and